Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the cells to hold the specific type of data in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Open Excel 2007. Normally in a cell we can enter text, numbers, values, dates and so on. But if you want to fill specific type of data in a cell, we need to format the cells according to our requirement. Here I have salary column. In these cells, I want to select number format. For that, select the cells. In home menu, come to number group. Here I got default cell type format, that is general, which allows us to enter any type of data. So to restrict this to allow only numbers, click on the arrow. Here we will get various formats: general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, and scientific. I'm selecting number format. Now let's enter the text. In this, if anyone accidentally type date, let's check what will happen. Then the date will be converted into number format. With this, we can enter correct data in exact cells. Similarly, come to date of joining. In this, I want to select date format. Click on the arrow. Here we have two options, short date and long date. First, I want to select short date. Now let's add the text. If we accidentally type number in these cells, it will convert it into date format. And after this, I want to select a long date. For these cells, select the cells, come to number group, click on the arrow. In this, please select long date. Now just expand the column width, and here it is showing the day, date, month and year details. And after this, again come to salary column. Here if you want to add comma, select the cells and click on comma, and notice that after the point we got two decimal values. We can also increase decimals and decrease decimals. To increase the decimals, come to number group, click on the option increase decimals. Then it will increase the decimal values in the selected cells. Again, to decrease the decimal values, click on decrease decimal. And after this, if you want to add $sign in front of the amount showing here, for that again select the cells, come to number group, click on the arrow. In this we can select currency and accounting. Then it will show the $sign in front of the amount. If you want to add different countries' currencies, click on the arrow next to dollar, and it is showing the currencies for United States, United Kingdom, Euro, Chinese and French. I'm selecting United Kingdom, Euro, Chinese and French. And if you want to add currency other than these countries, click on more accounting formats. In this window, come to symbol option, click on the arrow. Here we will get all the countries' currencies. Similarly, if you want to add percentage values, select the cells, come to number group, click on the arrow. In this, select percentage. After this, when we start typing the value, automatically it will add the percentage. And if you want to get additional options, click on the arrow showing in the bottom right corner. Then it will open format cells window. Again, it will show all the categories. Come to number option. Here we can select different formats: currency, accounting, date. Just check, we have so many formats for the date. And we can also select the location to get the exact format. Come to time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special. We can enter zip code, phone number and social security numbers. Also we have custom cell type. Like this, we can format the cells to hold the specific type of data in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.